Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to customize your Google Maps in Android. The Google Maps SDK allows us to customize how the map will look using a JSON file. To make the process easier, there's a tool called Maps Platform Styling Wizard that we can use to preview, test, and generate the JSON file for the map. Go to mapstyle.withgoogle.com. Then select the Use the Old Style Wizard option. With this, we can set how much roads, landmarks, and label we want to be visible on the map. If we click on More Options, we can set the individual component on the map. Let's say we want to change the color of the water. We will select the water menu on the left, then go to Fill and Color. Then we just select the color we want to use for the water. We can also make some features stand out more than others. If we want school buildings to stand out, we want to change the color of them on the map. You can play around with the wizard and maybe you can come up with something really cool. When you're finished styling the map, click on the Finish button at the bottom. A dialog will pop up and we can click on the Copy JSON button to get the code for our file. In Android Studio, right-click on the res folder and go to New, Android Resource Directory. Click on the resource type dropdown, select RAW, and then click the OK button. This will create a folder called RAW inside our project. Now right-click on the RAW folder and create a new file. You can give the file any name, but make sure to turn it into a JSON file by putting .json at the end. When the file is created, paste the code you copied earlier inside. Once you have the JSON file, you will need to set it into the Google Maps object so it will use it. In the onMapReady callback, take the Google Map object and call setMapStyle. To pass in the JSON file, call load raw resource style from map style options. Then pass in the context and then the reference to the JSON file in the raw directory. If we run the app, the styles will be applied to the map. That's all for this video. If you find this helpful, give it a like, share, and subscribe to support the channel.